Hey fashion lovers! Ever splurged on that luxe designer piece only to find it looking less than fabulous a few months later? Yeah, I've been there. And trust me, proper storage is the secret sauce to keeping your wardrobe looking runway ready for years. So today, let me walk you through everything you need to know about storing your pricey clothes the right way. First things first, preparation. Before you tuck your pieces away, always clean them. Think dry cleaning, hand washing, or a gentle machine cycle, depending on the care label. And don't forget, everything needs to be totally dry before storage. Moisture is the enemy. Think mold, mildew, and those not-so-chic odors. Now do a quick once-over for stains or loose threads. Trust me, a tiny stain can turn into a permanent disaster if left alone. Patch up seams, snip those stray threads, and treat stains before your clothes go into hibernation. Gather your storage squad. Sturdy hangers, preferably padded, breathable garment bags, acid-free tissue paper, cedar blocks or lavender sachets for those natural moth-fighting vibes, and some good quality storage boxes. Next up, choosing the right cupboard. You want a spot that's clean, dry, and breezy, not your musty attic or the swampy basement. Go for somewhere with consistent temperature and good airflow, and give your clothes space. Cramming them in leads to wrinkles, and nobody wants that. Consider a dehumidifier or moisture absorber if humidity is a problem. Now let's talk about when to hang and when to fold. Delicate blouses, dresses, and tailored suits. Hang them up. Invest in padded hangers so you don't end up with weird shoulder bumps. For heavier items, think jeans, sweaters, or chunky coats, folding is actually better. Use acid-free tissue paper between layers to cushion creases and keep everything fresh. Don't skimp on garment bags either. Go for natural breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Ditch the plastic bags. They trap moisture and basically invite mildew to the party. And don't overstuff garment bags. Give each piece room to breathe. Drop in a cedar block or lavender sachet to keep moths at bay, and your clothes will smell amazing too. For those out-of-season gems or special occasion pieces, storage boxes are your friend. Always choose acid-free archival quality containers. Line the bottom with acid-free tissue for an extra layer of protection. Fold clothes neatly and stack them vertically. Way easier to find things later. And label each box so you're not digging around for that one blazer in a panic. Keep your cupboard in check with regular maintenance. Give it a good clean vacuum shelves and wipe surfaces to dodge dust and bugs. Check your clothes every so often for any sneaky holes or stains. Catching problems early means less drama later. And rotate your clothes seasonally to give all your pieces some love and even wear. Bottom line, storing your expensive clothes isn't just about keeping them out of sight. It's about preserving their style, shape, and value for years. So next time you add a new piece to your collection, remember these tips and keep your wardrobe as flawless as you are. Happy styling!